Good morning, my amazing planner people. I have a little bit of a haul here. I've already pre-recorded the Harriet Wright Design stuff, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in first, but we also have some Simply Gilded stuff as well as some things from Sadie stickers. So I'm going to go cut over to that clip of me opening these two, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so the first thing I see is this freebie. It's the 2021 Year at a Glance calendar. It's beautifully foiled and on this really nice thicker cardstock paper. Super useful. I taped one of these inside the front cover of my Harriet Wright Designs planner just so I could have that Year at a Glance thing, and I used washi tape to put it in, so it's pretty decorative and I really liked the way it came out. Oh, it does have my subscription in here. So I have my subscription as well as my order. Got it. So smart. Okay, I'm going to do this first and then we'll get into the subscription. So I saw this one kit on her site and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have it because it is so stinking cute. So it says, Autumn, I've been waiting for you. So true. Have been. And I love the artwork on here. You have this cute fox. I love the road with the evergreen trees and these little boots. And the foiling is so nice on this. And then you have, of course, the pie over here. I'm thinking November for this kit, but I'm not positive because it's a little bit more brown than the orangey tones. Oh, look at this box, guys. So pretty. I'm so glad she's back. Oh, and she added in these little swatches at the bottom. I think that's totally new. And those will be fun to play with. And then we have all of these fun boxes. I love that this one has like the fancy corners here. Let's see if I can kind of show you a little bit. So nice. I've missed her kits. And then we have our 3 headers here. We have our Monday through Sunday, which this has changed as well. Instead of just having the first initial for it, you have the abbreviation, the 3-letter one. And I think I like this better. It looks just more complete. And then of course we have another box here. Oh, I like this one with the leaves. So pretty. And then these, and you have a lot of layering icons down here, which are really nice. And then this is our last page with our washi here. Oh, this is going to be tough for me. I kind of like both of them. And then we have our days of the week. We have some thinner washi on this side. We have our checklist, and then these smaller scallops are this is very unique. I like it a lot though, to have it just be that thinner amount of space. So pretty. And then I did pick up the deco sheet that goes with this kit, so I'm so excited. All right, and then we have our subscription for August, which looks absolutely incredible. And it says, welcome, get ready for a beautiful exclusive kit to land on your doorstep each month. The Harriet Wright Designs exclusive subscription will always ship on the 30th of each month. Our most beautiful foiled kits for a discounted price each month. So the mystery kits are a little bit cheaper than they were before she went on her break, and they are now foiled. Check that out. But they are about $20 plus shipping, I believe. So let's take a look at what we have in here. And I don't think there's any more a foil add-on. I think it's just one, overall. So let's see what we get. So this is what the website says about the new mystery kits. It says printed on our high quality premium mat and foiled with real foil. Foil colors vary between gold, rose gold, silver, and holographic. Custom artwork. 4-page kit plus 2 extra sheets. And billed the first day of the month, shipped the 30th of each month. So there's all of that information for you guys. So on the front, you have these amazing boxes here. I especially love the Starbucks coffee one here because we all think of Starbucks and their pumpkin lattes come fall. I love all of the carved pumpkins here. This is just such a cute moment. And the fall outfits that we all know and love. This is amazing with the books. Oh, love it so much. And then I love just the combination of the fall colors for the pumpkins and this one as well. I love this foil element that she brought in with the branches, and then you have a couple of birds in there. And then these boxes down here are really fun as well. I especially love this blue one with the foiled leaves on it. I think the leaves really pop on there. So, okay. It's called Fall Vibes, by the way. So here's our second page with all of our headers, plenty of headers. And then we have a skin tone variation here so that you can choose either one. And then, of course, I love the Days of the Week box here and think it's kind of unique. And I love the way that she did the layering elements down here. And then I think I got these out of order, but here are all your functional boxes. I love that we have these square ones at the top. Those are so fun to work with. And then, of course, you have, these are probably fourth boxes here. And then you have a couple more here that I think these are all fourth boxes. I don't really see, maybe these are third boxes and these are half boxes, I think. It's always hard to tell which size is which, but that's what it looks like to me. I especially love this box with the pumpkins, and I love the habit tracker. This is so fun with the fall leaves. So, so pretty. And I love the fact that you have a variety of different styles of boxes in here. So you have everything from scalloped edge boxes to ones with fancy corners. This one also has the fancy corners, to just your solid regular box. And then we have ones with fancy corners that are just a full block of color. This is great for layering, by the way. So super fun. And then we have our bottom washi here, which these fall colors are just amazing to me. And then in addition, you also have the solid blue washi, which is also really cool. You have these thinner strips of washi over on the side for marking different things throughout the week. You have these beautiful checklists, and I love that there are 3, because we all have like the top 3 things that we need to get done during that day. And I like the longer ones, but the reality is if I have a top 3 of what to get done, I always make sure those 3 things get done. And then we have these little scallops down here. I'm really loving the shape of these, and so I can't wait to try them out. It's going to be so fun. In addition to that, you get your 2 foiled pages. So these are the 2 that came this month. This one's super cute with all of these really sweet leaves and acorns. I love the ghost face here in the middle. And then you have these jack-o'-lantern faces. So you can turn any pumpkin into a jack-o'-lantern, which I think is going to be really fun to play around with. So we have those. And then in addition, you have these with their little scripts on them. So it has buy candles, hot chocolate, get cozy, baking time, get cozy again, only with a hat. Decorate, pumpkin carving, buy candles, hot cocoa. I think we're just repeating now. So I love the idea of this, and I can't wait to try them out this month. All right, let's do the Simply Gilded stuff next. This is from her newest collection. I think she called it Cozy, and it's got this amazing plaid. I think it's called buffalo plaid. Am I right there? Let me know, guys. Anyhow, this paper has almost a textured feel to it. Not quite, but it feels a little different to me. I don't know why, but it's super cool. And I love that we have this heart that says cozy in her freebies. So, so fun. With every order, you get a little bow, and this is the one we got this time. It's, again, the tie-dye one with silver, which is super cool. And look at what journaling card we got. I'm so excited. I love this print. She did seals that were these pumpkins, and I might have to go back in and order some because it's so cute. Okay, so we're gonna go with a pumpkin theme here. So I did get these 3 plaid ones with pumpkins, and it's kind of a more matte on there than that shimmery that you usually get. I'm going to swatch them out so you can see in full detail. I think these 2 I bought together, and then this was a separate thing. I want to say there were other ones in this collection, but I can't remember what they were. But I thought the 3 of these ones together was awesome because you have that gold line down there. Anyhow. And then I also picked up these 2. Oh wait, hold on. It should be these 2 together. These 2 were a restock from a previous collection. I'm not sure what collection they were part of, but they're just really cute, colorful pumpkins that say all kinds of really amazing things like faith and love. And then this one, so this one's, oh, these are both rose gold. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. And this one says family, and I love the eyelashes there. So, so cute. And then this is another of those matte gold pumpkins. This was a set that came together, and so you have like the bigger pumpkins and smaller pumpkins with little bows on this white washi, which I thought was amazing. I have a kit I think this is going to go great with. And then the last one I picked up was the fireworks washi, because I missed it when she did her original fireworks washi around 4th of July. And these are the colors for the Disney 50th. And I was like, yes, please. And I love how it sparkles. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and swatch these, and I'll be back in a minute. I love this gold one at the top. Oh, it's so pretty. There's something about the way that this gold is that just really speaks to me. And then down here, these are the pumpkin washis that I showed you. So they both have the same pattern. So I went ahead and did 2 of the first ones so you could see all the different pumpkins. I especially love the faith ones and the love and the family. I think they're all really, really special. And I think they would be the perfect addition just kind of at the bottom, maybe even into November, because I think that's when I'm really thinking about these type of things and, you know, just gratitude in general. And then these washis are so elegant here at the bottom. Oh my gosh, I'm loving them. And then this is that fireworks washi, which looks even better rolled out. So, so nice. I will link Simply Gilded down below just so you can check out their washis if you want to. And okay, on to $2 Tuesdays. I think this was the first one that came in, so we'll start with this. I'm kind of loving her $2 Tuesdays these days. Okay, so I did get the Floral Deco. This is Floral Deco 13. And Floral Trims 13. And then we have Floral Halves 13. And they're all kind of, this one a little bit less so, but these 2 really go together. And I thought it was kind of amazing. I want to try out the trims because I haven't done that before. And her floral stuff seems to go with a lot of different kits, so I think it's really versatile. Okay, and here is my freebie. I put Lauren's name in the notes for this one. If you guys don't know who the PR team is for Sadie stickers, if you go over to her Instagram and click on the PR, you'll see who all of her PR people are and what their freebies look like. It's really helpful. And then, okay, so I got Floral Date Toppers 5, and I think all 3 colors here. Yes. So we have rose gold, gold, and silver. I think these are going to be great. They almost give me that time period between Thanksgiving and Christmas vibe. And then we have Floral Date Toppers 4. These ones are a little bit more like January foliage, I think. They're super cool. And I love that she switched directions to be able to fit as many as possible on the sheets. And this is Foliage Date Topper number 3. Super fun. It almost makes me think of an underwater scene. Like, I know it's not, but I bet you I could use these with like an aerial kit. Oh, I must have only gotten 2 of that one. Oh, no, wait, hold on. So these only 2, maybe it's in the back? Oh, yes, there's the gold one. Okay, and then we have foliage date topper number 1, which is also really cute. I think these are going to be the right size to be able to use in my Harriet Wright Designs planner, because I don't have a whole lot of room at the top, and none of these stick up like super far. So, and I of course got that in all 3 foils. And then I got some of her trims. So this one is just a cute little scallop there, and it's called Dainty Scallops. And I like how this looks with like just that thin line, because it really gives a great like finished touch to things. So I have that one. And then this one is called Knit Washi number 1. And this I really liked as well. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but the knit pattern I thought was really nice. It would be a great addition for like sweater spreads. So I have that in all 3 foils as well. And then she had a Christmas or snow theme $2 Tuesday. And I was like, yes, please. I love like the snow accents in washies, or not washies. And I love all the snow accents in foil. So, so pretty. Oh, and this bag's a lot smaller. That's interesting. Kind of cool. Because then you're not wasting like a bigger bag. Oh no, don't get stuck. Don't do it. Okay, there we go. I'll figure out where this goes. So for this one, I put in Tay for my freebie, and I love her freebie too. I love all these little sprigs down here. They're so pretty. Okay, I think I kind of went through and just ordered one of everything in silver, because that's the color I generally think of for snow spreads. So I have, let's turn it this way. We have mini snowflake halves. Look at those. They're so pretty. And then we have snowflake mini garlands. We have snowflake mini deco. I can't wait to use these. And then we have snowflake garlands, snowflake date toppers. Look how cute these are. They're so cute. And then we have snowflake cluster deco. Oh, I think I got 2 of that one. And then I have her Snow Flurries date numbers. I thought these were really cute too. And then we have, of course, the snowflake trim. And this one is snowflake garlands. I think they're like the garlands that go the entire length of the washi or the page. And oh my gosh, when I saw them, I was like, that is so amazing. Because I layered one recently where I used a bunch of garlands, and to have one sheet that just did it was, yeah, no brainer. Had to get it. That's all I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.